Okay, this is going to be a very quick video on a 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE. This is going to be how to get to the rear cigarette lighter in your console. You have to take this thing apart, and I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. I can do it with one hand. All right, so everything is conveniently like just pushed together plastic. And I'll show you what I mean. So you literally reach right here. You're going to see a crease right here. Get your hand in there. It's a little bit easy because I did it, but all you're going to do is wiggle that off. After you do that, just going to pick it up, move it out of the way. The next part you're going to do is you're going to come down here on either side, right here and here. There is a, just to make sure I'm correct, 10 millimeter 2 screws right here. You can use a flathead, or I'm sorry, Phillips, or a 10 millimeter socket. I chose to use a 10 millimeter socket because it makes it a lot easier. Now what you're going to do is, it is very helpful if you have an upholstery tool. If you have an upholstery tool, it makes it very easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to come under here, wiggle, just pop it up on either side, wiggle, just comes out. Same thing. You're going to do the same thing for here. Upholstery tool. Okay, set that to the side. Now what you're going to do, literally take it right here. Don't worry about breaking it. It's going to pull out. Now you have access to your cigarette lighter. So I don't know if this works on any other models, but if you need it, it's literally right there. You can unplug it. This you can also get access to that. But right now I am installing a DVD player. So with that being said, I need access to the cigarette lighter for power, because when you turn on the key, it turns on the headrests. So I'm going to be installing power to that. But otherwise, that's how you gain access. As always, if you guys want to see more videos, subscribe, and talk to you guys later.